Welcome to sunny Thailand. It's August 1st, 2024, and we're excited to bring you our latest video update on the construction of our 11th project, Siam Oriental Dream. As of today, all floors have their external walls and internal partitions in place. Electrical work is already underway on the 6th floor, while the 5th floor is seeing interior wall finishing and tiling. Construction is progressing ahead of schedule, but we're not cutting any corners. We're maintaining our commitment to quality and adhering to all technical norms and building standards. We appreciate your trust in our projects and will continue to keep you updated with video reports on the construction progress of all our developments.